delimited files. So I'll show you. So suppose there are a number of available delimited files available there in the market. Usually use the CSV files, CSV, pipeline delimited, and tab delimited. Okay. For now, for this class, we'll discuss about these all. Okay. So any idea about it, CSV file? We know, right? How we can save that CSV file? Normally, how can we identify is it a CSV file or not? By separating comma or something like that. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, it is comma separated values. So
Okay, correct. So pipeline means we can put this symbol in your keyboard, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. And tab delimited nothing but I can say like a space or something like that. Okay. These all are actually available plot files in market now. Okay. Now we can see one by one how we can load a CSV file and pipeline delimited and a tab delimited files into SQL Server Studio. Okay, guys. So now we can take one CSV file. Before that, let me go to SQL. So I created one DB like use SSIS trainings. Okay, go. I'm creating one table, guys, first because I want to load, right? I want to load the source data to destination. Uh, for that, I need one table to map the data from source. Okay, therefore I'm going to create one table. Okay, create table employee. Okay, yeah. Tell me, usually what we have? ID, ID as the integer. Yeah, name, right? Or we can put some F name, first name, where care of 50, correct? And last name, where care of something 50. And what we have? Something like a full name, care of 100. I will give you the real-time examples also, but for time being, just try to understand how we can load normal files. Then we can see in actually how we can do increment load for employee or anything like history, how we can maintain history and all. For time being, just see it's some basics, right? That's why. Okay. And what we can see, email or phone, care of 50, comma, phone, phone, what we can get, like big int. Then salary or department salary, numeric, 10 comma 8 or something. Is that clear? Numeric. Okay. Guys, what I'm trying to do now, you see here, the table came, employee table. I'm just deleting this table. So now just check is there data is there or not. So start from emp underscore t. Okay. See, I don't have any data now. Now I want to insert some data into this table. So for that, again, I require one CSV file, right? So for that CSV file, I just go to Excel. I think we have some TP here, data, employee ID. So insert last name, right? Okay, full name, something you can put F name and L name, full name, then email, then phone, then salary. Okay, so now I'm just Control X, putting here, and Control X, putting here. So salary here, gender I don't require, so I'm just deleting. Phone something you can put 111 or okay. So email IDs you can put something like yahoo.com or something you can put. Okay. Something. Same way you can put something like me copy. Okay. Okay. Then Harish. Okay. That's it. So now here. No, it's not. Okay. J. Dot M. Yeah, guys. Now I have a flat file ready. So what is my flat file name here? Sample underscore EMP. Correct? Guys, please try to understand. Okay. Again, I'm going to create one more file in Notepad. Okay. File, save as, desktop, some EMP tab. Okay. First we load CSV, then we can see one by one. Okay. Hey guys, now you tell me how can we do that? So first, before I want to create one any package, how can you take? Go to file. Okay. New. Yeah guys, just tell me. Already created one package here. You know, right? Till here, how to create package. I mean, how to create a solution and all. You know, right? I don't need to explain again. Is that fine directly if I jump onto actual thing? Yes? Are you able to hear me? Yes, yes, no. So you know right how to
Yes,
create
yes.
project. Okay, then I'm not going to again. So just click on here SSIS package from right side pane. Okay, just go to here. Just create a new SSIS package and you just rename it to F2. 1 second. You can put rename anything. Okay. What we can put? Add files demo. Okay. File license everything. Okay. Hmm. Now I can see the explore everything is came now. Now what is my source here? First I want to load into CSV. Then what need I to take here? Guys, suppose if I want to perform anything, already the control flow is there. What I require now? Data flow task, right?
Yes, data flow.
Yep. Go to data flow task. Just drag and drop here data flow task. Okay. Once it's done, then if you want put any name, it's okay. Otherwise, you can just leave as is. Anything is fine. Okay. Just click here. Now we can see our sources and destinations and transformations here. Now, what is my source here? So, since it's my source is a flat file, I mean CSV, it will be fall under CSV. So that's why I'm taking a flat file source. Okay. Okay, guys. Till here clear. If you want me to repeat, definitely I will repeat again. Okay. Okay. Once you take from left side pane here, flat file source, just click on here. It will ask a flat file connection manager, guys. Connection is nothing but uh, it is a connection to establish the connection from where you are taking the file. So just click new, or you can, I think you don't have anything now. Just click on new. So once you click on new, it will ask that connection name and location where that file coming from, everything. Then just we can put file underscore CSV. Okay. It will ask where is the file coming from. Just click on browse desktop. Okay. Go to CSV file, or I'll just click on here. Open. That's it. It automatically came here. Okay. Now what are the columns available here? Just click on here and just check here. Okay. So suppose if you want change that data types and all, you can check here what is the column output and everything, you can check here. Okay. Suppose my data type here in DTSTR is nothing but varchar. Suppose if you want to change that, you can just go to here. Just click on 4 byte signed integer. I will tell you this how we can match with SQL Server and this one. It automatically, this is fine. Now I'm just check these properties, guys. So here is a name and delimited is a comma. This automatically come, but the most important thing is here, this one, data type. Either you can convert here or it automatically convert in a destination level as well. Okay. So I'm just giving you what are the properties available here. Okay. All columns came. Suppose you're not sure if you want to increase the size of that column, that also possible here. Email in source level I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah, guys. So once this is done, just check that preview, the data is coming or not. As I told you in earlier class, it's by default it's a 0. Okay, because it will exclude that what we call the columns ID, F name, last name, and all. Okay. Suppose sometimes in file maybe you will get a 2 rows. Okay, 2 row headers, that also we can exclude by putting some 0 to comma. Okay, 0 hyphen comma. Okay, like that. Okay, just click refresh, it automatically came. Yeah, my source is ready. Just click on OK. Yeah, now what I need to do next, guys, I want to load into my DB. Tell me, for that what need I to take? Obviously I need to take a destination, right? Correct? This is my
Yes.
source. For destination, I want to load into my SQL
SQL.
server. Yeah, for SQL server, you will take OLEDB destination. Okay. Okay. Once you take destination from left side and other destination, just click here. 1 second. Okay. It will ask the connection manager. Just click on new. Since I have already something installed here, I'm just deleting. Okay. Um, just click on new. So it will ask the server name. So server name, right? How you can take? Go to SQL Server here. This is our server. Okay, Nagarjuna. Right? Right? What is a server? Suppose whenever you're trying to log in here, whatever it will come here, right? That is our server name. Correct? So these all are basics we know. Still, if you are not sure, please let me know. Then we can start from there as well. Okay. So my connection name is Nagarjuna. So for your case, maybe desktop something is there. Put Archana. Okay, it will ask your database name. Just wait for few minutes, few seconds, sorry. What is my database? Where I'm trying to load, right? SSIS underscore trainings, right? Yes. So I'm just giving the connection where my data wanted to save or load. So I
Yeah.
created here DB is SSIS trainings. If you see here, that's why I'm going to make a connection for that DB. Okay. Okay, that's it. You just if you want to check that connection, test connection. So in real time, guys, we have actually SQL Server authentication. DBA will give you that user ID password. Don't bother about that. Okay. Yeah, the test connection succeeded. Just click on OK. Just click on OK. Just click on OK. So once if you are unsure about what are the data connections available, just come here, here, here part. You can see here what are the connections available. So suppose if you want to change the connection also, it's a possible later. Okay, but for time need, let's see. If you want to see that the properties also, you can see what are the properties. The left side here, see the connection string. Just click on here, it will come again. Okay, like this. Okay. Now what I need to do? So my source is ready, my destination is ready. I need to map from there to here. Is that correct? So just click there and give here. So first it will ask the which table you want to load, guys. Okay. Then what is the table name here? See, automatically came because I don't have any tables. It automatically came or not. emp underscore t. Okay. Once it's click, now again go here, go to mappings. Okay. It automatically aligned or not? See, it's automatically aligned. See, now are you able to see any error? No, right? Yeah, still here. You understood? So you take Flatfile connection.
Yeah, it is clear,
Okay.
clear.
Okay. Then once it's done, either you can take here. 1 second. Yeah, once it's done, either you can start from here or you just right click here. Yeah, 1 second. Where I click. Yeah, execute package, or either you can start from here also. Anything is fine. So or F5 also. Okay. Just right click here. Go to execute package. Okay. Now see some errors came here. So what is the error? You can go to here progress and you can see the what is the error here. Okay, destination multiple steps conversion failed because of, see, some conversion error we see here. Okay, we'll fix that conversion error. Don't worry about that. Okay. So suppose if you see any error, you can see in go to progress. There you can see. Okay. See what is the error here? Multiple steps and conversion failed because of data value. Just copy. Go to here. So I'm just giving you the debug steps also here. Just see how you can debug. Okay. Yeah, you can see there was an error with OLEDB destination inputs, OLEDB destination column, salary, and OLEDB destination input. The column status returned to conversion failed because the data value of overflowed the specified type. Okay, so that is the error. Then what we can do? Okay, so I already told you right one how you can convert from transformation and just go to here. There is a one where is that? Okay. If you go here, data conversion. First map to data conversion. One second, I'm removing. Delete. Okay, just put here. Now, what is that error? Go to salary. Okay, here is coming as a what it's coming as. By default, it's coming as a string. That's why it's not able to resolve. So how I need to change that? One second. Decimal. Yeah, decimal is also fine, right? Guys, see decimal scheme. So these are important, guys. Please try to understand. If you are unable to understand, please let me know. So these all are actually available in SSIS. We will match. So what I need to take now for time being? Yes. So float, right? Float, how can take decimals? I can take decimal or not? Decimal is a matching, right? You see here. Numeric and decimal is almost the same, right? So then I'm taking decimals. Okay. Guys, any confusion? Okay, I'm taking decimals. Okay. Just leave as is. Click on OK. Now we can just remap it again. Okay. Go to mappings again. Now we just change that salary into salary. Correct? Because we created a one alias name there. That's why. Okay. Now we just click. Now just run the package. Again error. Okay. Here what error came? Maybe copy, cancel. Field up to more for okay. That is also not taking. Let's see. We do one thing. We are seeing since errors. So decimals also not working. Then let me check this double. Hopefully it should work. No. Okay, then we can do one thing. For timing, just ignore the errors and you can see. Okay. See columns, manager. Let Take the properties again. Salary, error output, salary, fail component, and just ignore failure. Okay, ignore failure. I will tell you why I'm putting ignore failure. Okay, apply. Okay, now you can see still error. Okay, stop this. I'm just removing mappings. Salary, salary. Okay, error output. Ignore failure. Okay, so ignore failure means even that there is a conversion error or something, it automatically ignores and it will go. Okay, see now it's came or not. So why I'm putting ignore? Now I will tell you. Okay, now you can see why data is not there. My table is correct or not. One second. My table name is simply okay. Mappings. Okay. Okay. So everything you can see, guys. So since I put that to ignore failure, this is not written anything. It wrote only 0 rows. Okay. For that, what we can do? So again, mapping. Go to salary. We can remove this. Okay, not required. Okay. Just ignore. It's SQL Server. This is the issue actually. Every time conversion error. See now it came row, but salary it's not populating because the data type is not resolving. I will tell you why it's not resolving also. Now you can see. So data is came, but salary didn't update it, right? Guys, see here why it's not resolved. Just still here clear. So any doubts because salary is not converting. I will tell you once I change that to data DB, then I mean this what do you call data type of this column, then we can see. Go to columns, salary. Okay, why? Okay, numeric. Maybe. Okay. What is it? I just see some decimal now. Okay, decimal. Is there any decimal? It is not. Okay, let's see. That's it. Yeah, guys. So I'm just changing the DB. Okay. See, why it's not refreshed? Huh? Numeric still. Okay. Hmm. Okay, let it be. I will tell you that. No worries about that. I will take care of that next time. So now we understood or not how it will load that CSV file. So whenever you take that what we call flat file, this type of issues will come. If it's Excel, it won't be any issue. So directly it will come as a normal file. But if you see this kind of errors, we need to take care of that. How we can handle this and all. Okay. So for salary, Guys, is okay? Can we move to other?
Yeah, that's fine.
So only issue with this salary data type. Otherwise, let me do one thing. So, tool. So when you take that Flatfiles, this is the issue. The conversion is really big headache for everyone. Okay. So I actually shall take we put a float. Okay, to accept or not. Okay. Uh, go to here. Okay. So since my table got refreshed, then go to mappings again. Salary. Okay. So now we can see. Okay. Progress. Now wrote 4 rows. Let's see. See now came. The only issue with the some what do you call. Now it came or not? Yes, you able to see now. The only thing is sometimes it won't accept few conversion types. For that, we need to do some little background for that data type. Okay. Now we clear, right? So now data is came. Guys, yes sir. No. Can we move to some?
Yes.
Okay. Now the CSV is done. Now we can see any pipeline delimited and yeah, pipeline delimited. So how will you create pipeline delimited? Because I'm not getting. Let me see if I get any sample pipeline delimited file. For examples, yeah, something kind of like this kind of data we required, but I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, so I'm just disabling this. Just right click and disable. That's it. So now again, I'm taking one more data flow task. Okay. So you can take n number of data flow task in one control flow, guys. Okay. Only one control flow or one package or one solution. Okay. But we can take n number of data flow tasks. Okay. So just try click on here data flow task. Uh, so now what will take? What is my source? My source is a plot file source, right? So just click on plot file source again. So since you are taking a new file, then again new some pipeline you can save. Pipeline plot file connection. Okay. Just browse it where it comes from. Pipeline sample. Yeah guys, now we can see here. So how can I know is pipeline delimited or CSV? Any idea about that?
Based on the code page.
Okay. See, I didn't mention anything here. By automatically taking see host name, certificate, last 4 digits. Okay. Some kind of some message there, but still the most of data is coming. Correct. See, all columns automatic came. So how can we decide like this? This one. Here is a column delimiter. See, for that pipeline delimited, we have this symbol, pipeline symbol. Okay, for comma separated, this symbol. By defining this, you can define. Suppose if I put comma, it will concatenate everything into one. Okay, if you see, just refresh. See what it came here. Everything came into one line, right? But that is not correct, right? Guys, please carefully understand here. That's why the column delimiter, we need to change it to vertical bar. Mm, okay. If you just refresh, it automatically came or not? Came or not? So, is it okay? This is the most important thing, guys. Interview questions also they will ask. So, how do you identify delimiter and where do we change that delimiter? Suppose if you receive some flat files, CSV delimited or even that date file, how can you identify or how can you change that delimiter? Then you can say this one. This is clear. Do you want me repeat again? Okay, just I'm just canceling here. Okay, just take that Ghana. Okay, not an issue. Just click new here and just browse. Keep as is, not an issue. Just browse here. Pipeline symbol. My file name is a pipeline underscore sample. Just click on here. So sometimes the system itself it automatically takes what is that column delimiter. But sometimes if it won't take, then it should take care of this one. Okay, go to general here. Okay, so here you can already I told you how can you change that database data types and all. So you can change here. Okay, here you can understand right how you can take this column delimiter, and this is the only main important. That's it, guys. There is no rocket science behind. Only the main thing you need to focus on this one. Which column delimiter we need to put. Okay, that's it. Just preview. Don't bother about data inside, but how it is coming. That is the only thing you need to put. Okay, just click on OK. If you want to see what data inside, that's it. Okay, click on columns. Okay, certified. That's it. Ignore failures. Apply and click on OK. So my source is ready now. So what I need to take now? Destination, right? Again. So definitely enter question they will ask plot file regarding one question for plot file. Okay. So OLEDV destination, just click here. Okay. Now we can see the magic. Earlier we created one table and we mapped to the table. Now suppose if we get requirement like this, we have hundred of columns in plot file. The first time we want to load the data, how we can do that? We can't go back and we won't see that each and every column and we can't define, right? That's why. So it will ask the new table. Okay. Either if it's existing, then it automatically comes. Suppose if you want to take a new, you want to put entire data into the new table, it automatically take a connection as a new. Okay. Keep, suppose if you want to keep identity, it's nothing but what we call it automatically take that integers, not integers. It's kind of a primary key. Okay. Keep null. Suppose if you want to keep null, you can just put this one. Okay. Now just click on new. See, did I create any table now? It automatically came. Now we just put one meaningful name. What name we can put? This one. Some EMP pipeline. Okay. See, automatically the data types also came, right? Most of thing it will come as a varchar. For time being, it's okay. You will see actual examples in real time examples. Okay. So, guys, if you don't understand, please let me know here itself. See what I'm trying to do here. It's okay. Can I repeat again? Yes or no, please?
For me, it's okay. So I don't know the others.
Okay. Okay, fine. So that's it. You just click
So
here.
so
Oh,
one more question. I just realized that when the table, I mean, when you're using that flat file,
uh-huh.
it is creating unnecessary columns. Shall we remove that column from this
So
step?
yes, yes, because we are completely creating a new table. That's why it's automatically it's in a varchar.
Okay.
So no need to create. So one time setup, it's okay. From next time onwards, sometimes they will ask, right? I want to put some unique identifier or something like that. We need to maintain some. First time load as usual. Then we can alter the columns and tables if it's a daily load. Okay. See if it automatically matches the columns. See. Then error output. I'm just putting ignore failure. Okay. Why I'm putting, don't bother about that. I will tell you that as well. Okay. Just click on OK. That's it. Now we can run that. How many rows inserted? 6 rows. If you are not sure about that inserted or not, you just check 6 rows return. Okay. Just stop here. Just check that table came or not. See, came or not. Hey, don't bother about data. Okay. So because we are just taking copying and paste, sometimes maybe it's injected some different one, some DC came or something like that. Okay. But our desired goal is that data is loading or not. Okay. Clear, guys? Yeah, still here clear. So now we discussed CSV, pipeline delimited, and we are going to discuss one more, the pipeline and not pipeline, uh, tab delimited. Then we can close it out. Fine, right? Till here. Any doubts, guys? The only important thing is you need to make sure every time what is the delimiter for that file. That is the only big. So that is gone actually at the time of creating connection. That time only you need to take care of that. Okay, clear, guys? So now we can see one more example for tab delimited, and we can close it up. Now again I'm disabling this. How to disable? Just right click in disable. Okay. So if you disable, it won't consider this package again and again. I mean this data flow task. Okay. Okay, guys. Now we will take some data. Then we can see. Go to here and file. Do you have any data actually? No, right? I think let me see. Okay. Otherwise, you can do something. E-name, salary, and what you can put TPT. Okay. That's it, guys. So, I don't want to take much time. If you know little thing or big thing, the concept is same. Okay. I'm putting EMP2, 3, 4. Okay. And apply name. So how you will receive that actually flat files? Any idea about that? So manually, no one will enter. Okay. So, system generated either you use a app or PeopleSoft. I mean PeopleSoft, not PeopleSoft, Oracle or something. Okay, you will get files in a CSV or something. Not only that systems, maybe some metro they have some old systems or something like that. Rama, salary is 10,000, 2,000, something. Department name, IT, HR. Okay, uh, some name we can put. Ashwin, anything? Okay, 30,000. What do you call networking? Okay, okay, fine. Three records is enough. But let's see. Now we can see something strange also here. I will tell you what we can say that because I put a space, right. Sometimes it may come as a space as well. Let's see. Tab. Okay. I'm saving again desktop. Okay. Hmm. Now you can tell me, guys. Already I told you two. Now this turn for you. Okay. Now what we can do? Hey guys, please data flow task. Okay. You can put any name like tab delimited. Okay. Just click here. Okay. Go to sources again. Flatfile connection. Flatfile sources. Sorry. Okay. Take new. Hmm. Now tell me. Tab ff. Just take that browse. Tab sample. Okay. Go to columns. See. Now we can see what came here by default. Comma came. Now we can see. Guys, are you able to see here? But this is everything coming as a single, right? Okay. Okay. See. Let me see. Okay. I think our file. So guys, this is 1 second. Let me take because I'm not sure it will go into the table or not. It will save as only one record. It seems. Hmm. Let me take any example from Google. Then we'll see. Okay. Just type tab delimited text file. Okay. Any file we can take. Okay. Yeah. Maybe this will work. Okay. This is a figure only, no? I need some data. Let me see. Actually, okay. Is there any file? 1 second, guys. Sorry to disturb. So, tab delimited file sample. Okay. Again, same came. Anyone has that file? I think maybe you won't use, right? So 1 second. Thing is okay. Let me see. Tab separated values. Okay. Good. Okay, fine. This is fine. So yeah, this is fine. Just I need only one tab or one example, so this is fine. Okay, since save as desktop. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. So I got some data from internet. Then I'm using the same file because My local it's not converting because that maybe it's not correct format. If you see this one, okay, yes, clear now. Now what will you do here? Just change that connection and just refresh. Okay. Now again, just browse it. Go to desktop. Paste that file. Yeah, tab underscore sample. Just click here. Okay. Columns. What reset columns? Yeah. Now we can see. Column delimiter. Tab. Refresh. Hmm, that is also not taking. Mistake. Now everything taking as a column. So let me check. That is also not a and file save as some different. Okay. Okay. Go to here. Test. But please don't worry about this because this one. Okay. Columns. Yeah. Now we can see. Now it's came or not, guys. What I do here? Just header row delimiter. I just changed to tab T. Are you able to see here? Tab T. Header row delimiter should be
Yeah.
tab T. That's why earlier it came in CRLF nothing but rows and columns. Okay. Now we just change that how we can break into that. It came as a tab T. So now the data will came in perfect format. Okay. Just click on OK. Preview. Okay. Okay. Now again you can take OLEDB destination. Okay. Now we know how we can take this one. Again click on new. Yeah. What I need to put here? Something like tab test. Okay. Click on OK. So keep null. Mappings automatically it will take. Okay. Error output. Just put as a ignore failure. Apply. Click on OK. Now you can see. Uh, See how many rows inserted? 11,766 rows. Same, right? 11,600. Sorry, 11,766. Okay. Now we can just check. Go to here. What is your table name? Okay. Go to table. Tab test. Okay. Select tab. Data came or not, guys? See? So don't worry about this data files and all because you will get in real time. So don't worry about that because that will be in exact format. So I took something from internet files. Okay. Now clear? Guys, clear? How you can take the flat file connections and how can you perform
Yeah.
against plot files and all. So I hope this is 1 second. And yeah, commonly we use these files only. If you want, I can tell one more dat file. That is the same kind of thing. Again, I need to search and put the same thing. But for time being, just practice these three. So do you want me to send these files?
Yeah, yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, because instead of taking from different sources, then I'll send you this. Okay. Yeah. So if you have any doubts, guys, please let me know. So if you want, you know, so let me know if you have any doubts. Um, I want to say something here. So do you want to see all data flutters run at a time? So I'm just disabling this one. Where is enable? Just click on enable. Okay. So let me see. I'm just removing this data, guys. Delete from. Okay. And one more table is empty. One more table is okay. Okay. I'm just removing data from these three tables and I want to run that again. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see. Like, okay. So start from. So now we can see there is no data. Yeah. Now I want to run this package. Let's see how it will run one by one or something like that. See, this three got succeeded or not. So when you say this green, it means it's succeeded. Okay. If you just click on here, the inside rows are inserted or not. Okay. You can see the progress. Okay. And one more thing is here is a package explorer is there. Here also you can see what are the data flow tasks we have. Okay. Go to here. See data flow task. How many data flow tasks I have? Three. Data flow task, flat file task, context delimited. Okay. Clear till here. Now I ran three packages. Just stop the debugging here. Now we can see data came. Yes, data came or not?
Yeah,
So, so I hope we understood what is the flat file connection, how you can use in SSIS, how you load in tables. Clear? So if you have any doubts, please come up with Telegram or please drop me a message so that I will take care of them. So that's it. Okay. So in tomorrow class we will see what we'll discuss. Yeah, that's all guys today. If you want, I will send that file as well. Files, all files.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you guys.
See you
Yeah,
tomorrow. Bye.
see you tomorrow. Bye bye.